Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to receive cryptocurrency in Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and receive cryptocurrency in Ledger Live. But first of all, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the bottom, as you can see, we have the wallet, we have the earn, the discover, and your ledger in the bottom right corner where you can go and buy your ledger. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and receive cryptocurrency in Ledger Live. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go and click the receive in the menu on the left side. Then, when you click on receive, type or use the drop-down list to choose the account to credit. After that, you just need to go and click on the continue button. Then connect and unlock your Ledger device. After you have unlocked your Ledger device, read the on-screen instructions and click on verify to display an address on your device. After you have done that, verify the address shown on your screen in the same as the address shown in the Ledger Live. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.